Hey man, I wanted to show you something here, man. How this engine works, how it pumps gas. The way it works, if you look inside your gas tank, this is an Easy Go Robbins engine, twin cylinder. If you look inside your gas tank, you see that tube there. That's your pickup tube. It sucks gas here. Comes to your vacuum fuel pump. This is from your fuel tank. Goes to the fuel pump. One line comes from the engine, other one goes to the carburetor. And the way it works, man, when the pistons go down, you create a suction, and every time it goes down, by the suction, you got your vent here, it sucks fuel. And when it sucks, it pumps fuel out this way and comes out here. And the way you can do, if you wanted to, man, if you question that don't run or something, you can take this line here, which is actually the output. Which is the outside of the fuel pump. You take it loose, when you hit the gas, it should pump fuel. But also, if you look at the carburetor, if you look at the fuel filter, you should rarely see gas in it. The only reason you see a lot of gas in this because I just got through cleaning the carburetor out. So we're going to have a lot of gas in it, but let's see what it does. Quick tip here, man. If you see the throttle right there, when you hit the gas, the engine should turn over and not actually crank up. Alright, you see it turning over, it shouldn't crank up. You don't want it to do this. You don't want it to run any as soon as you hit the gas. You want to have it where it turns over without cranking up, because if you have it where it cranks up as soon as you hit the gas, man, you're going to backfire. All right, man, stay tuned, man.